Ah, Christmas. The season of joy, family, and spending all your money like you're Elon Musk. But don't worry, I'm here to save you from post-Christmas bank account trauma. Let's dive into how you can survive the holidays without going broke, and still look like Santa's favorite helper. Tip 1. DIY gifts that don't scream, "I'm cheap." Instead of dropping $50 on a scented candle, make one yourself. Bonus points if it actually smells like something other than burnt wax. Or, give him a coupon book. One free hug, one free Netflix password, you know, the stuff people really want. Tip 2. Secret Santa saves lives. Secret Santa isn't just a fun game, it's a loophole. Instead of buying gifts for 20 people, you just buy one. It's like Christmas budgeting for lazy geniuses. Tip 3. Re-gifting done right. Got a gift last year that's still in the box? Boom, instant present. Just make sure you don't give it back to the person who gave it to you. Trust me, I learned that the hard way. Tip 4. Shop sales like a pro. Wait for those Christmas Eve sales. Sure, you might look a little last minute, but hey, saving 50% on a gift means you can afford to buy yourself a treat too. Priorities. Remember, Christmas isn't about how much you spend, it's about how much you can make people believe you spent. And if all else fails, just tell everyone their present is delayed in shipping. It's the perfect excuse these days.